Welcome to our video on the top 5 best action cameras of 2025. Whether you're capturing high-speed sports, breathtaking landscapes, or underwater adventures, the best action cameras are durable, compact, and deliver exceptional image quality. Choosing the right one comes down to factors like video resolution, stabilization, and waterproofing. With so many options, selecting the perfect action camera can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we've done the hard work for you. Each camera on this list was handpicked based on positive reviews, standout features, and real-world performance. Be sure to check out the description below for links and more details on each model. Let's dive in. GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black takes action cameras to a new level, making it the go-to choice for adventurers, filmmakers, and athletes alike. Its 5.3K video capability ensures crisp, high-resolution footage, while the ability to capture 27-megapixel photos and 24.7-megapixel frame grabs allows for professional quality stills, even from your videos. One standout feature is its HB series lenses with auto detect, which automatically adjusts settings to suit the perfect shot every time. The rugged design is built to withstand the elements, being waterproof up to 33 feet, and the magnetic cable ensures a weatherproof seal while charging. With Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, your videos will remain smooth even in the most intense action shots. The upgraded 1900 mAh Enduro battery offers up to 2.5 hours of continuous recording, ensuring you capture every moment without worrying about power. Whether transferring files wirelessly with Wi-Fi 6 or through a USB-C cable, transfers are now faster than ever, and Bluetooth audio support plus voice commands make hands-free operation a breeze. Capture your adventure in full frame and fine-tune your footage later with the Quick app for optimal results. Priced at $349.99, the GoPro Hero 13 Black delivers a perfect balance of durability, versatility, and cutting-edge technology, making it an unbeatable choice for 2025. Insta360 GO 3S. The Insta360 GO 3S packs incredible potential into a tiny, lightweight design, making it the perfect companion for life on the go. Powered by an enhanced chip with 50% more CPU power and a new wide-angle lens, this camera shoots in stunning 4K, offering nearly double the pixels compared to 2.7K. Every moment is captured in crisp, sharp detail, and the wide-angle MegaView field of view ensures less distortion and cleaner, straighter edges. Its magnetic mounting system and included accessories allow you to attach it anywhere, opening up endless possibilities for creative shots. With Insta360's signature flow state stabilization, your footage stays smooth and steady, even during the most action-packed moments or walk-and-talk vlogs. The multifunctional Action Pod not only charges the GO 3S, but also provides remote control and live previews with its large flip touchscreen. Plus, with Apple Find My Network integration, you'll never lose track of your camera. The camera features interval video, capturing clips throughout your day, while auto-editing brings those highlights together with music, letting you stay in the moment. Rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet, it can handle any adventure, and its replaceable lens guard ensures durability. The Action Pod is splash-proof with an IPX4 rating, giving you added protection. Priced at $399.99, the Insta360 GO 3S offers a perfect blend of portability, performance, and versatility for any adventure. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is built to push the boundaries of action cameras, offering stunning 4K 60 FPS video that excels in low-light conditions. Its next-gen over 1.3-inch sensor and 40-megapixel capabilities ensure sharp, dynamic footage, capturing every detail with perfect balance between highlights and shadows, even in challenging lighting. Super Night Mode, powered by advanced AI noise reduction, delivers clean, sharp footage in extreme low-light environments, making nighttime adventures look better than ever. The camera's 360 degrees horizon steady keeps your videos perfectly level, no matter how intense the action gets. With crystal clear dual OLED high brightness touchscreens, you can easily frame your shots and review footage on the go. The 10-bit D-Log-M color profile gives you pro-level flexibility in post-production, ensuring vibrant and accurate colors every time. Subject centering and tracking make sure your focus remains on the action, while the dual DJI microphone connection captures crisp audio. The Osmo Action 5 Pro offers 4 hours of extended battery life and 47 gigabytes of built-in storage, so you can keep shooting longer without interruptions. High-speed transfers are a breeze with Wi-Fi 6.0 and USB 3.0, and the MIMO app offers intelligent shooting modes and editing tools to help you create content effortlessly. Starting at just $349, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro combines power, precision, and portability, making it the ultimate choice for adventure enthusiasts and content creators alike. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 sets a new benchmark for action cameras with its 8K AI-powered capabilities. Equipped with a best-in-class over 1.3 inch sensor and a Leica Summaret lens, it captures breathtaking 4K 60 FPS active HDR and 8K 30 FPS video with a wide 157 degrees field of view. Whether you're shooting fast-paced action or stunning landscapes, the Ace Pro 2 ensures crystal clear footage with remarkable detail. At the heart of its performance lies a groundbreaking dual AI chip, one dedicated to pro imaging for superior noise reduction and image processing, and a 5nm AI chip for powerful performance. Leica color profiles add their iconic aesthetic to your footage, while active HDR ensures a rich dynamic range. Flow state stabilization, combined with 360 degrees horizon lock, guarantees impossibly smooth and level shots, even during the most intense action. The camera's pure video AI technology enhances low-light footage, making night scenes come alive with reduced noise and increased brightness. A 2.5-inch flip touchscreen provides a larger, clearer preview of your shots, even in bright light. Superior audio quality is ensured with an updated wind guard and enhanced audio algorithms, minimizing distortion in noisy environments. Built rugged and waterproof up to 39 feet, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is designed for adventure. With a powerful 1800 mAh battery, offering up to 180 minutes of shooting time, this camera is perfect for capturing your most thrilling moments. Starting at $399.99, it's an unbeatable tool for professionals and action enthusiasts alike. Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 takes immersive video to new heights with its unbeatable 360 degrees image quality, shooting stunning 8K 30 FPS 360 degrees video, the highest resolution yet. Whether you're capturing cinematic 4K 100 FPS footage or 72 megapixels pure shot photos, the X4 delivers sharp, jaw-dropping visuals. It also doubles as a traditional wide-angle action camera, offering single-lens mode with 4K 60 FPS for more conventional shots. One of the standout features is 360 degrees reframing, allowing you to shoot first and choose your angle later, never miss a moment. With the invisible selfie stick, you can capture impossible drone-like third-person views, giving your footage a unique and cinematic feel. Built for adventure, the X4 is rugged, waterproof up to 33 feet, and comes with removable lens guards for added protection. Its flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock ensure buttery smooth footage, even in the roughest conditions. The newly upgraded 2290 mAh battery offers a massive 135 minutes of recording time at 5.7K 30 FPS, 67% longer than its predecessor, the X3. The Insta360 app takes editing to the next level, with AI-powered tools that make sharing viral-worthy clips a breeze. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, the X4 makes it easy to create incredible content quickly. Priced at $499.99, the Insta360 X4 is the perfect blend of advanced technology and user-friendly features, ready to capture your most thrilling adventures from every angle. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best action cameras of 2025. We hope this helped you find the perfect camera for your next adventure. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Let us know in the comments which action camera caught your eye. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the featured cameras. See you in the next video.